Hello beauty, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ash. If you're new here, I hope you decide to hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. If you're not new here, then I just want to say welcome back. You guys, I had to take some time off. I'm so sorry. I really wanted to let you guys know what was going on, but I was so overwhelmed and I feel like things were happening back to back that I couldn't even deal, you know what I mean? So it was just kind of like I completely had to disconnect. I had to take a moment. I had to spend time with my family. My grandpa passed away, you know, recently. And so it's been just like, oh my gosh, out of control. The whole family's hurting, of course, so we're trying to deal. But I really missed you guys. I missed you guys so much, and I wanted to say welcome to all my new subscribers. I wanted to say hi. Let me know down in the comments how you're doing. I hope you and everyone that you love are well. I hope that you guys are flourishing. I hope that life is starting to get back to normal for you guys. I can't wait for this to be over. Oh my gosh, I really can't. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for stopping by. Always know that I appreciate you guys and all the love that you show me. So I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so starting off with this Shape Tape Concealer, I'm going to use this as my base. I'm going to apply this all over my lid, and then I'm going to blend it out with this beauty blender that I got from Target. It's by Sonia Kashuk. Now I'm going to take this jaclynHillxmorphe palette, and that shade is called Silk Cream. So this is going to be my transition shade. I'm going to just set my eyelids and then jump in with this color Jada. This is like a teal green. So I'm going to put this all over my crease, and then of course build it up to your liking. I wanted it pretty green. So there's that. Now I'm going to use this NYX glitter primer and the Beauty Creations loose glitter in Aqua, and I'm going to just kind of cut my crease. Oh, it's so satisfying watching glitter. I love glitter, you guys. So yeah, I'm going to just apply this, and then I wanted kind of like a sharp end, so that way I could do the liner around this. Yes, honey. So this is the NYX white liner. This is completely matte liner. And I'm going to just kind of outline my glitter, but only on the outer corners. Super freaking cute. All right, so now for mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara in Carbon Black. And I'm going to take this Duo Glue on my Adore Luxury Lashes in Queen 3. And I'm going to just put those on. Yes, honey. Now we got to blend the falsies. I'm moving on to the face. This is the NYX First Base Primer mixed with my Maybelline Master Prime, Blur, and Illuminate. So I'm going to just use this together as my primer. I like to double prime because I have super oily skin. But I'm going to just put that all over my face. And do you see how it kind of like illuminates me? I'm glowing. All right, so now we're going to color correct with this Pro Conceal by LA Girl. This is in orange. So basically this is going to counteract any of my dark circles. Now for foundation, I'm using the 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect Foundation by Milani. This is in the color Nutmeg. And I'm buffing this into my skin with a Real Techniques buffing brush. I really love the coverage. All right, so now for concealer, this is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm using 2 different colors, and this is a new concealer technique. So what I love about this technique is you get just as much coverage, but you don't use as much product, which is obviously good because you're not having to constantly buy concealer. And it's also very lifting. So I hope you try it. And now we're gonna set it with this loose setting powder by Black Radiance. This is banana powder. It's going to counteract any kind of purple tones underneath my eyes. And then this is the Milani setting powder. I believe it's Oil Control in medium deep. And then I'm going to bronze my face. I'm going to bring out my cheekbones and just kind of add some color and warmth to my face. I'm also cleaning up my contour with some extra powder. So now for blush, this is the Music Flower Color Stack, 5-color blush stack. I got this on Amazon and it's super cute, you know, just different blushes all in one. And then this Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighter in gold. And when they say MegaGlo, bitch, it's MegaGlo. Like, that is glowing. Yes, honey. All right, so now I'm gonna highlight my brows. And then I'm gonna go back in with this color Jada for my lower lash line, just to wrap everything together. And then of course some white liner to open up the eyes. You can use any brand. And then that same highlighter for my brow bone I'm using for my inner corners. And then last touches would be mascara on the lower lashes. So go ahead and set your face. This is the matte finish by NYX. And then my brown liner. And I wanted some pink lips today, so after I put my little Marilyn, I took my ring out, so that's why I used just kind of a dot. But this is the Lorac Alter Ego lip gloss. This is in the color Vixen, and I'm done, honey. Yes, let me know what you think. All right, love, so this is the finished look. I hope you like it. I love it. Of course. I say that in like every video, but you know, like I said, things have just been really crazy, and I missed you guys. I wanted to say hello. Oh my gosh, you guys, I needed glasses, so I had to get my eyes checked. And these bad boys, that looks so different. But hello, librarian. Yes, honey. Aren't they cute? I was telling my honey, I was like, babe, I feel like Superman. Like, like I'm one person and then boom, I'm another person. Yes. That's stupid, I know. But yeah, so there was just a lot of different changes, a lot of different things going on. But once again, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a good day. Comment down below. Let me know what's up. Let me know how you're doing. All right, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.